Hello, YouTube and Beasties, the Beasties of YouTube. This is Melissa Pickle back on the Metals and Pieces channel, where we are here with another spectacular unboxing. Woo woo! I'm so excited about this because I have no clue what it is. Yee! All right, so a while ago, I did a team group giveaway. It was the Royal Feast giveaway. It was totally awesome. If you missed out, well, that sucks to be you. But one of our participants was Waterhawk Creations, Daniela. So she sent me something, and I don't know what it is. So we're going to open it up together. All right, before we get to that, if you would go ahead and smash that like button, really helps me out here on the channel. And while you're down there, why don't you subscribe for more amazing unboxings? And of course, spectacular chainmail and recycled bullet jewelry for Metals and Pieces, and badass lifestyle tips. That's what we're doing in 2021. All right, let's get started. Boom, let's go. Okay, so, all right, so we have here a fantastic box. Sorry, I'm not flipping it over for you to see my address. And, oh boy, there's a lot of tape. Let's see. People are gonna yell at me that I'm opening the box wrong, or that I'm doing tape. Ooh, yay, this looks good. I know you're supposed to cut away from you, but I always feel like I'm going to, like, cut myself that way. Hang on. Okay. Let's do that. One more cut. I'm being, like, uber careful because you never, ever know when you're opening packages. Like, what's underneath there? Is it something important? I don't know. Okay, what do we got? Opening one. Opening two, we have packing peanuts! Do you want a fun story? So my dad runs a machine shop, and my mom used to cater. So we're a whole family line of entrepreneurs, and my grandparents before that were farmers. And ain't nobody an entrepreneur like a farmer. That is the very definition of risk, in my opinion. But anyway, so when I was little, I didn't understand packing peanuts, and Dad would get stuff in the shop, and I would see just these boxes full of packing peanuts, and I asked Dad what it was, and I totally didn't get the idea of packing peanuts, so he told me they were ghost poop. And that has stuck my entire life. Like, I don't want to say packing peanuts. It is now officially ghost poop. Our box is full of ghost poop because there's no better poop than ghost poop, right? Come on, that deserves a like. That right there deserves smashing that like button. You just learned something awesome. Ghost poop. All right, so what do we have in here? Okay, I'm going to be like really careful to not get stuff all over the place. Okay, so we got what looks like a card. Should we do the card first? I want to kind of move the box to the side. This is what I hate about packing peanuts. They go everywhere. Ah! Ah! Okay, let's put all those back in. Oh my gosh, what else is in here? Some kind of stand. Okay, that looks like some kind of acrylic stand. And the other thing I hate about packing peanuts is you never know if the box is empty. Unless you take the peanuts out and they go everywhere. And I also never know if they are like the biodegradable kind that melt in hot water. I feel like if you're a business that uses the ones that melt in hot water, you should put a thing in here saying, like, my packing peanuts, my ghost poop is biodegradable. It's not ectoplasm. All right, so another one. All right, so this is Waterhawk Creations. And we can see that right there on their tag. But let's do the card first. I always love any kind of inserts or packaging stuff. It gets me so excited. And just like amps up what the actual package will be. So let's see what's here. There's nothing written on the envelope. So let's take a look. And let's see. Very cutesy card. And what do we got? Thank you, Melissa. Really appreciate being part of the giveaway, Daniela. Oh, you're so welcome, Daniela. I was so happy to have you aboard for that giveaway. Not abroad. We did not go abroad. We went aboard. Had you aboard. Okay, so there is that. No business cards that I can see so far, but that's okay because she wasn't really expecting this to be an unboxing video. So it might be different when you look at how orders are actually shipped out. But let's see what she does anyway. So we got our big organza bag here with our fantastic sticker for Waterhawk Creations. And we have bubble wrap. And there's a rubber band holding the bubble wrap. So I'm very curious. Let's see. Let's pull that rubber band off. Put that to the side. Put all this stuff to the side. And okay, we got bubble wrap. Very, like, it's in bubble wrap, so I'm going to be very, very careful. Oh my goodness. Do you see this? Do you see this? Oh my god. Wow, so here's our business card that I was talking about. So let's see here. We got Waterhawk Creations. We have their Facebook. We have their website. They have their email address. Cool. And then what does it say here? So each handcrafted Waterhawk Creations piece is made with a fine lead-free pewter. That's awesome. Care for your piece. Use soapy water and a sponge. Gently wash metal with scrubby side, taking care of the gems. Rinse with hot water. Dry with a towel. So this right here is a pink abalone shell. Pink abalone shell. I can speak. So we can see that right here. Oh my god, look at this. Look at how beautiful. And there's a second shell right there. And we have, so this is all fine pewter on here. Oh my gosh. And look at the dragonfly. Okay, so let's see. We have a brass dragonfly right here. So delicate and gorgeous. An emerald and an amethyst. Oh my god, Daniela! We didn't have to do this! Wow. That's gorgeous. And I mean, like, just the inside of the abalone shell. Are you getting some of that color in there? This is spectacular. Wow. Wow. Okay. And I love this detail right here. So you guys can see. With all of that, she said that's fine pewter work right there. That is beautiful. And looking at how it's holding on the amethyst, the emerald. You've taken my breath away, Daniela. Wow. All right. Okay. So here we go. And then I guess it just sits on our little display thing right here. Ta-da! Okay, let me hold that up so you guys can see the not top version. Oh, and do you see the holes in the shell here? I don't know if those are natural. They kind of look natural. Okay, so there's all the ridges right here. I am no expert on seashells. Like, we don't live near the ocean, so I don't know about them. But that is just gorgeous. And look at, like, the holes in there so you can see through. So let's be very careful and not our usual clumsy self here. And I'm going to lift that up. I'm going to not be clumsy, Mel. Not clumsy. And you can see, look at that. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. Wow. All right, Daniela. Whoa. So this is just a very, very light sample of Daniela's work. They do whiskey bottles. I know they do whiskey bottles and they do wine bottles. And it's like, to me, it's very Pirates of the Caribbean. Like, when you look at that complete jewel and gold encrusted look right there, something straight out of Davy Jones' locker, that's how I feel, me personally, with Waterhawk Creations. So they do the bottles, they do swords and knives and all such amazing decorative weapons. I don't know if they're functional, but I know they're decorative, and it's just, it's outstanding. So you guys definitely want to take a look. Waterhawkcreations.com. Link is down below, along with a link for a coupon code. So, you guys want to get in touch with Daniela, I have all your contact info here. No worries. I'm going to hook you up with some absolutely amazing Waterhawk Creations designs. All right? There we go. So that's it for this unboxing. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you click subscribe. And go ahead and comment below. Let me know, like, what kinds of unboxings would you like to see? Or, like, are there different kind of products? Or are there different things you want to see us take a look at here on Metals and Pieces? Or do you want to see other kinds of videos? So comment below. Let me know. Otherwise, that's it for now. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!